Hold on, let me see. Damn, these shits look good, but
different.
I just got $1 million bags today. About to go and spin a bag for them bags today. Yeah, about to spin $100 grand today. Lot of blue face hoodies, a blue beret. Yeah.
sheesh, I should just hang these up on the wall or something.
I think it's gonna fall off.
So let me tell you guys how stupid Volkswagen engineering is.
It is spilling. It's spilling.
It's spilling?
Yeah, it's spilling.
It's okay, it's the last time.
Yes.
The last time.
Hey!
Kind of scary. You actually got me, honestly.
Did I really?
Yeah. I thought you were outside waiting. You can't get this damn box up.
Oh my god, you broke it.
If I had a
You
hand,
broke it.
you know, it would help.
You got it.
It would freaking help.
Oh, you wanted me to open
Like,
it.
how the hell am I supposed to?
Move over. Move.
That?
Get out the way. It's not even heavy. Oh my god. Close the
See,
door.
maybe if we didn't open it, it would have been a lot easier.
I mean, oh yeah, I did open it.
Listen, gang, welcome back to what is yet again another freaking banger. You guys see I got this big ass box, and in here is something that's been long awaited, something very special to my heart, something I think even more special to you guys, because you guys have been on my ass more than I've been on my own ass. Let's make our way over to the car, Steph. Okay, I think I'm good now. Listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and I cannot do it without your help. We're literally, what, 2,000 subscribers away, Steph?
Yeah.
That's insane. That's crazy to even say. Just like a month ago, we had like 10,000, and now we have 18,000, which is crazy. Steph, come. Walk.
You're walking fast.
Oh, it's a beautiful day out here in Orlando. It's even better because we won't have to get our hands too dirty today.
No jack, no tools really.
No getting under the car. You guys have been asking for it. I got it, okay? So you guys can leave me alone. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's gonna be nice, bright lights. Just like you guys wanted, right? Everyone's wanted. I've wanted them for the longest, but yeah, I just stall. I stall on little things like lights. Shit. Shout out to my boy John, though, for helping me get these. He knows who he is. He was the one that ended up motivating me to get this whole thing, but look at this. Come on, Steph. Very long awaited. Oh, cat. Damn. Come on. That's just fire. That's just fire. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Hold on, let's just imagine it first. Oh, that's sex. No freaking orange amber. That thing is disgusting. This is literally gonna be one of the last things I'm gonna do to the car before I paint it, and then the taillights in the back, and then we'll be ready to paint stuff. You know, we're all patiently waiting on you to paint your car.
Don't worry about me.
Because you have everything for the car. You just need to put it on, and it's not me worried about you, it's everyone else worried about you. Oh my god, that's off. So hopefully we won't have to do much. I don't know what screw. I think it's this one. Come, Steph, come. There's one in here. There might be more. I have no idea what I'm doing, so just please bear with me. Kind of just going with the flow. I feel like you're better at these things than me. There we go. Yes, this is your video now.
We're gonna need T17 for these.
T17? That doesn't even exist.
Relax, it's my video.
Sorry guys about that. We're back in control here. Don't worry, Steph, I got this. I actually think they're plug and play because you have these like adapters. Hope they just connect into this and then this part connects into the headlight. I don't know how it works. Okay, there we go. This will be the easiest video ever if these are like the only 2 bolts I gotta take off.
I'm from the trench, nigga be tough on the net, but really be there for attention. Bitches be talking like they really rich, but really be begging me under my pictures. I give a 40, 50.
Oh! That was not intentional. Steph, you're gonna have to try to take this out. I don't think anyone wants my orange headlight stuff.
It's not orange.
They're
it's
orange.
Just the corner right here.
Can you help me get this out? No, I think this part.
1 eternity later.
50 years later, Stephanie has got it. Yes, big W's, big W's. Thank you. Yes.
So heavy.
Oh my god, that's just an ugly ass headlight right there. Sheesh. No, those are in good condition, honestly. Look at that. Just hold on, let's get that slow motion right here. Come on.
On me, it's hard holding my pants up. TRX, the hell camo inside a ram show. Real ones like me.
Let's be real. Let's be real, gang. Come on. Sheesh. I should just hang these up on the wall or something.
Put it on your necklace.
I don't know, Steph. I think this would be a little heavy. Damn, tires are still bald, but they're not showing stitching yet, so that's good. Yeah, no stitching. We're not gonna miss the flip. I hope not, because I keep saying it. So I hope we don't get any karma. Wait, hold on. We have those bulbs. I don't even know how to put those in. Where are they at? This does not look right. These are like too little.
I'm sure those are right.
But like, what do they?
Imagine it's the fog lights.
No, I don't think these are. It says headlight. We don't know anything we're doing right now. This is so bad.
You.
Huh?
You.
Stephanie, you don't know what the hell to do. If I gave you these shits
I
right
would
now,
figure
you
it out.
wouldn't know
It'd be
what to
right
do.
now in your car.
All right, so this is, I guess, how it's supposed to go on, right? Me and headlights just don't go.
Let me see. Oh, well.
Steph!
I'm trying to see if it, because it looks like too small for that.
It don't look too small, it looked the right size. Now we can't get it to actually click into the headlight part. So I'm assuming these aren't the right ones that my boy gave me, but I could be just being an idiot, which is probably the case.
Put the bulb first and then the green piece.
I like where your head's at, Steph. Maybe we should start watching like how-tos or like tutorials before we actually put it on ourselves. But I think this makes it a little more fun when you don't know what to do.
You just do it on your own. Figure it out.
I took this piece off. Now let's see if it clips in.
Even if it doesn't clip in, you'll still have that green cover holding it in place.
That's the best as we're gonna get right there. If it moves, if it breaks off, if anything happens.
Static.
Yeah, this shit is definitely not gonna be right, Steph.
That should keep it in place though.
Stephanie, I think it's safe to say it was like about an hour just doing this.
30 minutes.
No, it was not 30 minutes. So let me tell you guys how stupid Volkswagen engineering is. Let me just explain to you guys. So we got a bulb, all right? The bulb does not twist into the original like hole, and I'm assuming it's because these are aftermarket headlights. According to my boy, he told me the same thing. He said when he did his bulbs didn't twist in, but he had to put this bracket around it that comes with it, and it's supposed to lock on. But for whatever reason, the bracket won't go around it and it won't lock on. But I somehow managed to make it lock on, but it's only halfway on technically. And Stephanie's a little scared because she thinks it's gonna break off and then...
I think it's gonna fall off.
You see the bracket moving a little? It moves a little, but the back side's locked in. So it's just this side. I think I'm gonna be straight with that. It would take some serious static bounce for that to come off.
Whatever you say.
I guess we're taking the risk. We're taking the risk. Okay, that one side's done. I had to put on these stupid ass little brackets too so that it goes on fine. And it was only 2 of them. Came right off the stock ones. We have to get this done before it gets dark out. So that one's done. We're gonna put that one on, but I'm not gonna show you guys until it's completely done. Do the other one. Steph, hand me it. Hand me it.
Just get it.
Come on, you're standing up.
Just get it.
Just get Steph. Alright ladies, we got it on. I don't know if the bumper fitment's gonna be good. We're gonna have to test it out. We're gonna have to see. This right here is gonna be the death of me. But let's see if the bumper goes back on. If it does, it's gonna be a miracle. If the lights even work, it's gonna be a miracle. See if everything lines up. How is it, Steph? How is it?
Looking good. Yeah, close the hood.
Hold on, let me see. Damn, these shits look good,
They
but
look different.
I just got $1 million bands today. About to go and spin a bag for them bands today. Yeah, about to spend $100,000 today. Lot of blue face.
I'm just like super happy with how the headlights actually look on the car. We gotta check if these bad boys even work. So you know what that means? Cold start, baby. Where are the GTI keys? Perfect. Let's hear how she sounds. Sheesh. Right up, baby.
I just got $1 million bands today. About to
All right, let's see if the lights work. All right, let's see. What the hell? These are orange. What the hell? These are not white. I gotta go to my man's. Oh wait, hold up. You guys see the daytime running lights are white, but the actual light itself is yellow. So we're gonna have to fix that. So we're probably gonna have to take everything back freaking off, which is trash. The white with the yellow just doesn't look right. Of course, yes. So with the actual lights off, that looks freaking sex. Oh my God, that looks so good. Look at that. No more orange. That's beautiful. This is with the hazards on. You guys can see like it's orange, but when I turn the hazards off, they end up being white. No hazards, they're white. Hazards, they're orange for whatever reasons. I love the white. The white just looks so clean. Like you guys can see with the black roof, the grill. Like once I debadge that grill, it's gonna look even better, man. Oh my God. This was literally the final touch. I feel like now we just gotta do the tails and it'll be freaking mint. Like that just looks so good. Like let's be real, gang. Like come on, look at that. That just looks good. Oh my God. Now that I got those lights, I feel like I'm complete. I feel like everything is done and we still gotta paint the car. We still gotta do the tails. We still gotta do this whole interior because this interior is a freaking mess. Steph, get in the car. Hurry, 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 hurry. You're here. Why are you in the corner like that? The reason I brought you here, Steph, is so you can hear how good my bass hits, even though you heard it already, but I wanted you to hear it again. Damn, I got 35 miles, Steph. We gotta go put gas. Go. Oh, I don't have my jack. What did he say, Steph? Stephanie doesn't know anything about Playboy Cardi, so just bear with me, okay? She's not like us, you know.
Oh my God.
We love the Playboy Cardi. She didn't even know Playboy Cardi existed. That's funny?
Yeah, that's funny.
You like it? Alright boys, we're headed now to go see my boy Mike for the next video that we're posting on the channel. So that's why you guys got to make sure you have post notifications on, because next video is going to be a banger, guaranteed, okay? I just wanted to thank you guys so much for the ongoing support. Literally, without you guys, this video wouldn't have even been possible today. I'm so happy with the way my car looks.
Jeez.
These headlights literally changed the whole look of my car, and I'm super happy with the car and how it looks now. I just want to take a bunch of pictures of it and post it everywhere, but you know, gotta wait. Yeah, gotta wait until this video is posted. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you guys can see how the pictures came out. They're super fire. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for all the love. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching all the bangers. You know, this video is not over yet. It wouldn't be right if we didn't end this video off the right way, okay? Steph, you know what time it is. Listen, I promise this is the last time you guys are gonna see me fill up this car with taking this damn wheel off. I promise, okay? We're gonna fix it after this. This is gonna be the last time. Promise.
Got it.
How you bring a knife to a gunfight? They gon' always do it twice when it's done right. I remember riding around till the sunlight come up. I ain't tryna argue, so I hung up. D-boy fresh with it on me, know how I pop out. That bullshit is not important, what I'ma lie about. Don't play with baby, I give you something to cry about. That's
It's starting to get a little embarrassing stuff.
I wouldn't
Last
care.
time. Huh?
I wouldn't care.
Yeah, right. You have to pray we even have all this stuff. Impact is nowhere to be found. I think we're good. We got everything.
Always prepared.
but I'm steady going uphill. Started from the bottom, how the fuck I'm up here? If you really came from nothing, then you know how that feel. Ain't no issues on the steppers, that's the way that I live.
Damn, look at that. Tires are still freaking mint. This is over like 1,000 miles. That's insane. That's beautiful. These are how my fronts look right now. I want to see if the fronts keep lasting, like how these are.
Which one gets the stitching first?
Stephanie, I got this one. Don't worry.
First time ever. Unbelievable.
Wait, it's not working.
I think I'm dreaming.
Oh my God, I don't think they have Apple Pay.
Oh my God.
I need the card. Please see cashier, come on. Is it spilling stuff?
It is spilling, it's spilling.
It's spilling?
It's spilling.
Yeah.
It's spilling, yeah.
Out the bottom?
Yeah.
Down here?
Yeah.
This is the first time this has happened, okay? It's because this is the last time we're gonna do it, so now it doesn't want to work.
You think it was leaking from the top and then went all the way down? Maybe that's what I was seeing.
Oh no, I ripped it. We're doing it the little by little way.
Oh gosh.
Oh my God, F it. We're gonna be here all day now. I don't even remember how to do it this way still.
It was just little by little. Just remember, it overflows real quick.
Damn, this is gonna be brutal. This is dumb. Now it's bad. It's okay, it's the last time. The last time. I just gotta click it. That's the annoying thing, because if I hit it and hold it, it'll just overspill.
$5.
Alright, hold on. I might have got the touch. I'm just holding it, but like not all the way. There we go.
Threat shit, keep that in the track, yeah. Threat shit, meet me in the back, yeah. I'm fresh, yeah. Get on with the get, yeah. Smack, yo.
you guys so much. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
I ain't really playing for shit. Yeah, I ain't getting played for shit.
I don't know where I'm going right now, but I don't.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh my god, I got a freaking mosquito bite on my ankle the size of this goddamn planet.